The easiest way to pipe the chocolate butterflies is to create some paper cones. I will be using triangle shaped pieces of paper. The 90 degrees angle right on the top, it will represent the head of the figure. The pointed angles will be the arms of the figure. All I need to do is to hug this little creature. And here is my piping bag. Make yourself a template by printing some butterflies on a piece of paper and laminate. Cut a tiny hole at the end of the bag and start squeezing to release some chocolate. Do not apply too much pressure, as chocolate being runny, it might overflow the butterfly. Keep piping, tracing the shapes, doing similar right and left wings. If you prefer to use a nozzle, that's absolutely fine, but if it's a metallic nozzle, you will need to warm this in your hand before inserting into the piping bag. Alternatively, your chocolate will season and will block the nozzle. Do not pipe the bodies of the butterflies. You just need to pay attention and try and match the design of the right and left wings. Once you've finished piping the butterflies, place the template in the fridge. Butterflies will be ready to assemble after about 5 to 10 minutes. You will need some pieces of cardboard which you need to fold, and also some melted chocolate. Pick the wings gently one by one, dip them into a little bit of melted chocolate and set them on the folded pieces of cardboard. Those pieces of cardboard will then need to stay in the fridge for further 5 minutes. Those decorations are super easy to make. You can use either chocolate, which needs to be tempered, or candy melt. They are tasty and loved by the kids. It does worth giving a try. Trust me.